Ever sanded right through your veneer? It happens. In this video, I'm showing you how I repaired damage like this, plus an accidental drill hole, and some edge chips using a full system of color matching and sealing. I started by filling the damaged areas, both chips along the edge and that accidental drill hole I had from installing new legs. Once the filler was dry, I sanded everything flush and proceeded to sand the finish off the veneer using 120 grit sandpaper. Here's a close look after the final sand with 180 grit and the damaged areas we sanded through. Before doing any repairs, I applied a custom stain mix using two different Fusion Stain and Finishing Oil colors. Applying the stain helps me see the color I need to match and gives a clean working base. I let the stain sit for about 10 minutes and then wiped it all back. After it had dried, I got started on the repairs. The products I'm using for these repairs are Blend-All sticks for precise color matching, a sanding sealer to lock layers, a touch-up marker, and a nice walnut mid-tone toner to repair the areas seamlessly. For all of these problem areas, I started with the sanding sealer, then built up color using a variety of different Blend-All sticks, and sealed in between the layers with the sanding sealer. After I got the color I wanted, I applied toner to match the surrounding wood grain. This part takes time and a careful eye. The repair on the front was pretty smooth with the filled areas. Now let's move to the side and I'll show you the process again, a little bit more in depth with a variety of colors to fix the side damage on this teak sideboard. And finally, moving on to the top, the area that I sanded through at the very beginning. Once the repairs were complete, I top coated everything using Fusion's natural stain and finishing oil. I wiped everything back, and afterwards you could see that there were some areas on the edges, especially the corners, that lifted a little bit. So to fix that, I used a touch-up marker, also in a medium walnut. I sealed this in with Mohawk's Perfect Blend aerosol top coat. And here's how it turned out. Those sand throughs and filled spots are now virtually invisible.